In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create citations with Grammarly. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press Enter. From the results page, click the official Grammarly website so you land in the web editor where you can work with your documents. Once you're in, look for the Upload File option and click it. This opens your computer's file picker. Select the document you want to work on, your paper, draft, or notes, and confirm to upload. Grammarly will import the file and display it in the editor so you can make changes right away. Before generating citations, set the right tone for your document. Choose the academic option to make sure Grammarly focuses on formal, research-oriented writing conventions. This helps the tool prioritize clarity, precision, and appropriate style for scholarly work. After choosing academic, click Done to apply those settings to your document. Now you're ready to use Grammarly's AI to build citations. Click Write with Generative AI to open the prompt area. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a space where you can type your request. Enter a clear instruction like Create Citations. For stronger results, include the citation style you need, APA, MLA, or Chicago, and any relevant details, such as whether to include DOIs or URLs, or which sources to cite. For example, you might write, Create APA citations for the sources referenced in this draft, or Create MLA work cited entries for these links. Being specific helps the AI deliver entries that match your requirements. When your prompt is ready, click Submit. Grammarly will generate citation entries based on your request. Take a moment to review what it produces. Even with a powerful tool, it's important to verify the accuracy of author names, titles, publication dates, page ranges, and links. Check that the capitalization, italics, and punctuation follow the rules for your style guide, and confirm that entries are properly ordered and consistently formatted. If you need adjustments, refine your prompt in the same field. You can specify the addition of a style, ask for alphabetical ordering, request hanging indents, or ask for matching in-text citations that correspond to the reference list. Submit again to see updated results. When you're satisfied, copy the citations into the appropriate section of your document, references or works cited, and make sure the font, spacing, and margins align with the rest of your paper. Save your changes so your formatted citations are preserved. And that's it. Go to Google, open Grammarly, upload your file, set academic, click Done, Use, Write with Generative AI, type your prompt, and submit. Follow these steps to quickly produce clean, consistent citations for your work.